Hi everybody! This is Monday and we are already in week 4. As always, at Sekolah Ciputra, we always have things happening in every week. In the elementary, on Monday, we will have a vaccination, MR vaccination for our PYP1 students and also HPV vaccination for our PYP5 and PYP6 female students. We also have PAIS and PAT trial, mainly to make sure that internet connections work perfectly well. That will happen on Monday and also once again on Tuesday. On Wednesday, this is in high school, we will have a grade 12 university workshop at 2 p.m. And then we also have our open day starting from Thursday to Saturday from 22nd of August to the 24th of August starting at 8. So you can bring anyone, any friends, cousins maybe, or your relative, and come and enjoy the school during Thursday to Saturday and see how our students, how our learning environment at Sekolah Ciputra is always offering the best education. Have a good week.